Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that's Praveen Nair, and today we are going to be doing an awesome, easy keto recipe for you that's called as grilled cheese avocados.
Let's go have a look at the recipe.
1 whole avocado, 1 lime, black pepper, rock salt, olive oil, 1 teaspoon Tabasco sauce, 1 slice Amul cheese, half lime juice, crushed black pepper, rock salt, mix the same, cut an avocado into half, you're going to just press the avocado and make small cavities so that the filling what we have done can penetrate inside, and try to get an avocado which is well done and which is nice and ripe and soft. Once that is done, you're going to take the filling and pour it in. This is good for 2 people, so ideally 1 avocado is about 350 to 400 calories. Lastly, we're going to take cheese slice. We're going to cut the same into half. And put it inside the cavity. There we go. Now it's ready to be cooked. So you can grill the same in an air fryer, or if you have an oven or a OTG, so you could grill the same for about 2 to 4 minutes. So our grilled avocado cheese are ready. It's a super easy snack, really delicious, keeps you all the way full. Why? Because it's loaded with lots and lots of nutrients.
At the same time, it's very high in fat, which means that it's going to put you in completely ketogenic food profile.
Yeah.
So make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button that you always get to know about whenever we go live or we have a new video coming up for you guys. And please do share the channel with friends and family, that they have a great channel which has all the content that you need to be fit. That's about train to liquid programs, that's about recipes and information. Cheers, and we look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.
See you. Thank you.